This is our 8th annual Technology Career Fair. It's not just information technology. It is information technology and visual communications. It also includes engineering technology, welding technology, probably some advanced manufacturing kinds of positions, and production too. This is an industry where there are high demand and high wage kinds of positions, and yet there's still this talent shortage. It's a great partnership that we have here. It's Northwest Michigan Works, Networks Northwest, and Northwestern Michigan College. We're hearing from employers in these industries that they just don't have enough talent. And so that's why we continue to do these kinds of functions, and this is our 8th annual. They're looking for students, interns, but also professional, skilled individuals. And right now, with the unemployment being quite low, and with there being such a shortage, it's kind of a skilled jobs market, right? A job market right now, excuse me. And so, yeah, they can come in and take a look at what else is out there, and if there's some career advancement opportunities, it's a really good way to go. We're getting different types of employers every year, and we're drawing the employers and hopefully the job seekers as well.